Hi guys, sorry for being out again today. I promise I'll be back again tomorrow. I just wanted to go over what I want you to be working on today. So last week I gave you this prompt for argument writing, and we talked about polite speech and in different ways that it's used throughout society. We went over the different examples, the 5 that had very personal examples and examples that were only really supported at a very basic surface level and from what they knew in their own personal experiences. They used a lot of I and told their own personal stories. Where the 8, the difference between the two was not only the language and the vocabulary that they used, but the development of their examples as well. So what I want you to be working on today is finishing an introduction and first body paragraph. I want to be able to see your first body paragraphs tomorrow and say, yes, keep going, so you can finish the essay this week, or fix it after your first body paragraph and then have you go back and finish it after you make the revisions you need to. Just a reminder, you have to pay close attention to the prompt that you were given. You have to develop the position on the value or function of polite speech. So last week when we were talking about your evidence, everyone said that it has a function, it has value in society. So your first body paragraph has to be specific evidence of what that function is. If you're telling me, just like the example from the 8, if you're telling me that polite speech has a function in school, then where is it used, with whom is it used, and what is the purpose of it? Is it showing that respect? Is it showing who has more respect than other people? Is it showing who is the leader within the building or within a school or within the hallway or whatever your example is going to be? Your first body paragraph should be on that, just like I said, that one specific example like school, or if you're going to do it in a customer service point of view, maybe at the mall or at a grocery store. If you just want to incorporate those examples as one with just customer service, that's fine too. So your goal for today, introduction, you're introducing the idea of polite speech, where it's used, the purpose of it in different capacities, then your first body paragraph. So when I come in tomorrow, I can read your first 2 paragraphs, say yes, keep going, fix this, and then by the end of class on Wednesday, you should have a complete essay to hand in. Please email me if you have any questions. I am feeling considerably better than I was last week, so I'll be able to email you during class time.